Hello everyone, my name is Amber Sargent and I will be presenting the lesson concentration project, which includes 4th grade dance by Summer Gibson, Victoria Hernandez, and myself, Amber Sargent. So the activity that we chose to focus on is called Jumping Jack Mania. The whole purpose of this activity is to be able to get students to increase their cardiovascular endurance while having them improve their rhythmic skill as well as coordination. In order to complete this activity, there are only a couple of materials needed, one being a CD player or a Bluetooth device that allows you to connect a cell phone, music that would have 120 to 140 beats per minute, and a portable microphone so that students are able to hear you over the music while the activity is in progress. So standards and objective. So the standards that we chose to focus on were 1.22, which is to perform a routine to music that includes even and uneven locomotor patterns. 2.10, which is to design a routine to music that includes even and uneven locomotor patterns. 3.3 is to participate 3 to 4 days each week for increasing periods of time in continuous, moderate to vigorous physical activities at the appropriate intensity to increase aerobic capacity. So by the end of this lesson, students will be able to increase their cardiovascular endurance while also improving their rhythmic and coordination skills. Students will also be able to perform the 2-minute routine with minimal to no errors while being able to stay on beat to the music that is being played. So an overview of this activity would be to have the teacher pick a song of choice, or students could even vote for which song they want to dance to. But to the song of the music, students will be asked to complete 8 counts of regular jumping jacks, and in between that they will march in place for 4 counts, and then they would move on to knee jacks for 8 counts, march in place for 4 counts, kick jacks for 8 counts, march in place for 4 counts, and lastly scissor jacks for 8 counts and marching in place for 4. Modifications for this would include having students step from side to side instead of doing jumping jacks. So they would step to the right and have their left foot meet the right foot, and step to the left and have the right foot meet the left foot. And while doing this, they will lift their arms to their shoulders and then down to their abdomen as if they were lifting imaginary weights. So the assessment for this activity would be an observational assessment where the teacher would watch the students perform the 2-minute routine. Students should have minimal to no errors, and students should also be able to perform this activity while staying on beat to the music. So here's a short clip to demonstrate the activity. So if you would like to check out the full length of this video, here is the link here. So thanks for watching our project. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.